something a little child should know, and it's all about the devil, and I learned to hate him so. She said he causes trouble if you let him in the room, and he'll never ever leave you if your heart is filled with gloom.
So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Smilers never lose, and frowners never win. So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Open up your heart and let the sun shine in.
When I forget to say my prayers, the devil jumps with glee. But he feels so awful, awful when he sees me on my knees. That's why I pray to Jesus and keep my heart from sin. I just open up my heart and let the sun shine in.
So let the sun shine in, face it with a grin. Smilers never lose,